Yo, guys, my mom's gonna order the GPO right now.
Well, you probably can afford it.
Flash.
What was this kid saying before?
I put the new 4G on the G. I trap into the bloody bottles is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my G. I remember beating them all with the whole team. Now a nigga can't answer call cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me dripping. Straight up body, I just got my big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a six. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget that. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the baby, getting out my seat. These bitches know me now.